In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track SEO in multiple cities using Semrush. Whether you're a business owner or an SEO specialist aiming to expand your reach, understanding how your website performs in different locations is crucial. Let's dive into the steps to effectively set up and manage this kind of tracking using Semrush, making the most of its powerful features. First, you'll want to start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Semrush. Once you're on the Semrush homepage, look for the option to log in if you already have an account. If you're new, you'll need to sign up by following the prompts on the website to create an account. Signing up will give you access to a suite of tools, but today we're focusing on setting up what's called a position tracking campaign. Once logged in, you'll want to initiate a position tracking campaign targeting your primary location. This sets the foundation for tracking your website's search engine performance. The position tracking tool is particularly useful because it allows you to track multiple locations and devices within the same project, but note that this feature is available only on the Semrush Guru and Business tiers. So if you haven't upgraded to either of these, you'll need to do that to follow along with this guide. Now, to track performance in multiple cities, simply find the Add New Target button within the position tracking tool. Clicking on this will allow you to input additional locations. These could be cities, regions, or whatever specific locations you're interested in monitoring. For each new target, you're going to specify two important things: the location itself and the type of device you want to track, such as desktop, mobile, or tablets. This distinction is important because user behavior and search engine results can vary significantly between desktop and mobile devices. Once you have your locations and device types set up, decide how you want to manage your keywords. You can either import the same set of keywords from your initial target to keep consistency across all locations, or you can add new sets of keywords specific to each location. Customizing keywords for each city allows you to track how localized SEO strategies might be performing differently. Finally, to make sense of the data you're collecting, use the Devices and Locations report located in the Position Tracking tool. This report will let you compare your website's performance metrics like visibility, estimated traffic, and average position across all the locations you're tracking. Having all this information in one place helps you get a clearer picture of how your search engine strategies are working in different areas and on different devices. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll be able to efficiently track and manage your SEO performance in multiple cities using Semrush, helping you make more informed decisions and adjustments in your SEO strategy. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful.